Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. My name is Cole Owens. I'm the fire investigator with the Atomo Fire Department. Thank you for taking time out of your day today to be with us here in this courtroom. I'm here to discuss with you why my actions regarding a house fire investigation were lawful. They did not break any constitutional law and did not violate the Fourth Amendment. On December 5th, 2020, the fire department of Atomo responded to a house fire on 300 block of Ward Street. When they arrived, they found heavy fire and heavy smoke. Coming from the house, they knew they had a working fire. They had the fire knocked down and under control within a couple minutes and started to clean up. During this cleanup phase, they were dispatched to another house fire 3 blocks away with a report of 3 children trapped. They finished packing up and they responded to this fire. Moments later, I arrived and started to conduct my initial investigation. I started taking photos of the exterior and moved my way into the interior of the house. During this investigation, I found a melted material behind the TV and a pour pattern, which indicates an accelerant was used, which usually means the fire was set on purpose. So based on these findings, I treated this fire as an arson case at this point. The defendant states that since the crews left the scene before I got there, the chain of custody was broke, and therefore this evidence should be dismissed in this courtroom. The fire department is granted warrantless entry for initial response. This includes suppression, rescue activities, but it also includes investigation activities. If I had gotten there at a different time and started and then left the scene and came back at that point, I would need a warrant. But this was still initial investigation, part of the initial response, therefore it does not require a warrant. We see a similar situation in Michigan versus Tyler. I have that case brief here I can hand to the judge, in which case there was an initial responding fireman who got to the scene to put the fire out or do what he could. He left the scene, and then moments later an engine company and the battalion chief showed up. The battalion chief went up to the apartment to investigate, and this was done all within moments of each other, even though the initial fireman left the scene. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of fire department personnel in that it was all one continuous response because he showed up moments later, and therefore it was constitutional and it did not violate his Fourth Amendment right. So I hope you take that into consideration and make the right decision here today. Thank you.